We started in dairy farming here in 1947. We'll be the fourth generation farming here. Grandpa started, Dad, me, and my sons now, and I farm here with 4 other brothers. It's great working with family. I got 7 brothers total. We all had our turns at milking and feeding calves and everything as we was growing up, so it's a lifelong passion or dream. I love dairy farming. We always have. Working with the cows more than out in the field, but the cows is my passion. Last year, Dwayne and I presented the bottle of milk, and it was so much fun just being a part of the winner's circle there and got to see the race. It's very humbling to be part of such an honor for dairymen to continue the tradition of passing on the bottle of milk to the winning driver. My advice to the rookies is just have a safe race, have fun, and Godspeed. And we'll be waiting on you in the winner's circle with a bottle of milk.